How long do you think it takes to fill up a truck?
You gotta search within you. You gotta find that inner strength. Just pull that shit out of you and get that motivation to not give up and not be quitter, no matter how bad it is.
Well, I collapse from spilling these wax long as you feel them to the day that I drop. You'll never say that I'm not feeling them. Cause when I am not, then I'ma stop feeling them. And I am not hip-hop, and I'm just not feeling them. Subliminal thoughts when I'ma stop spinning them. Women are caught in wax, spinning in heart, spinning adrenaline shots. The penicillin could not, the illness to stop. I'm locked, the sun's just not feeling them. The criminal cop killing hip-hop, filling a minimal spot. Stop millions of pop listeners. You coming with me, feeling or not. You're gonna fear it like I stuck to the spirit of God. Listen up, you hear it a lot. Lyrics to shot. Is it a miracle or am I just product of pop? Listen up, this is the one, this is the plot. Listen up, this is for God's, listen to stop. For pop.
Till the lights go out, till my legs give out, can't shut my mouth, till the smoke clears out, and my eyes are out. I'm on feel this shit, till my phone pull out, till the lights go out, till my legs give out, can't shut my mouth, till the smoke clears out, and my eyes are out. I'm on feel this shit, till my phone pull out.
Music is like magic. There's a certain feeling you get when you reel and you speak. People are feeling your shit. This is your moment. That every single minute you speak. Trying to hold on to it, cause you may never get it again. So while you're in it, try to get as much shit as you can. And when you run it's over, just admit when into the thing. Cause I'm at the end of my rope with half the shit that gets in. I got a list. Here's the order of my list. It goes Reggie, Casey, Tupac, and Big Andre from Outkast, Jack from Rock, Nas, and Big. But in this free, I'm the boss of a lot of individuals. When I'm not put on this shit that's not a fit. That's why you see me walk around like nothing's fine.